Lean and Mean Turkey Wraps, the flavorful low-cal recipe to spice up your slim down. So you're looking to drop a few pounds but still want a meal that feels like an event? Enter these turkey wraps. They're lean, loaded with flavor, and crunchier than your New Year's resolution. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or anytime. Anytime you're craving something savory but don't want to feel like you're dieting. Ready to wrap and roll? Ingredients: 1 pound lean turkey, because beef can take a break. 1 head of butter lettuce, or romaine for an extra crunch. Half a red bell pepper, finely diced for color and a pop of sweetness. Half a cup of shredded carrots, extra crunch for free. A 1/4 cup water chestnuts, chopped, optional, but worth the texture. 2 green onions, sliced for a little bite. 2 cloves of garlic, minced, because flavor. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, minced for half a teaspoon ground ginger. 1 tablespoon soy sauce or tamara, go low sodium to keep it light. 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, just a hint of sweetness. Half a tablespoon sesame oil for that nutty finish. Sriracha or red pepper flakes, optional if you like it spicy. Fresh lime wedge for garnish. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Totally optional for those cilantro skeptics. Start the sizzle. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add that sesame oil. Once hot, toss in your garlic and ginger. Let them get fragrant. About 30 seconds should do it. You'll know it's ready when you can catch yourself thinking, "Dang, that smells good." Turkey time! Add the ground turkey to the skillet, breaking it up with a spatula as it cooks. Stir it around until it's nice and browned, about 5 to 6 minutes. Lean turkey means you're getting protein without getting all the extra fat, so enjoy guilt-free. Flavor Town! Add the soy sauce, hoisin, and a dash of sriracha if you're feeling bold. Stir everything together until the turkey is coated in saucy goodness. Now add the diced bell pepper, carrots, water chestnuts, and green onions. Give it another stir, letting the veggies cook until they're tender but still crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Let us be healthy. While the turkey mix cools slightly, prepare your lettuce wraps. Gently peel off the lettuce leaves and arrange them on a plate like little green cups. Butter lettuce is nice and soft, but romaine will add extra crunch if that's your vibe. Spoon and serve. Spoon the turkey moisture into each lettuce cup, like you're preparing mini taco boats. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime. If you really want to take it up a notch, sprinkle on some sesame seeds for that chef's kiss finishing touch. Why you'll love it? These turkey wraps are high in protein, low in carbs, and bursting with fresh flavor. The lettuce provides the satisfying crunch while keeping the meal light, and the turkey filling is savory and spicy without being heavy. Plus, they're a great way to get your veggies in without even realizing it. And there you have it. Lean, mean, and ready to help you stay on track with your health goals without sacrificing flavor. If you like this recipe and want more ways to eat smart without feeling deprived, don't forget to subscribe. Here's to tasty wraps and staying fabulous.